Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this step-by-step tutorial just using lipstick and gloss pretty much for the eyes and the lip area. So it's not a lot of products. It takes a very minimal amount of time, but you get what I find to be a very striking look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. This isn't tested for the eye area. I don't have sensitive eyes. If you do, I don't know if I would recommend this, but I like to use products in different ways, like to make things quicker or in a pinch or more budget friendly. So this color is called Powwow. This is by Prados Beauty. It's a beautiful like burgundy, like rich burgundy color. I feel like it makes a really beautiful like smoky eye. So what I do is you can clean your lipstick. You can spritz a little bit of alcohol, rub it on a towel, and that will clean it so that you're not bringing whatever bacteria is on your eyes to your lips and vice versa. So I just swipe it under the eye because I like a pretty significant bottom line. And then I just use the whole side of the lipstick and just kind of mark where I want it to go, because this is where I want the majority of the color to be. Bring it up just a little bit. I don't want to bring it all the way across. I'm gonna just throw a little bit on the inner corner of the eye as well. So it kind of makes two panels and then a swipe underneath the eye. So you can use a small brush or your finger. I like to use a finger because I don't need it to be perfect. I kind of like a worn in, like rock and roll kind of look. So I just pat the color that I placed and just pat it out. So that keeps all of that color where you want it, closer to the crease, and then just blends the rest of it. It's left on my finger. I'll just kind of connect it because that's just gonna give a little bit of a shadow or contour. And then on the inner, I like to pull it up and then tap. So that creates, you're keeping that middle panel just your skin because that's where you're gonna put the gloss. And that's pretty much it. Then you're gonna go in with your gloss. This is It's Electric by Juvia's Place. And I'm just throwing the gloss just on that section that I didn't place the lipstick. So it's just on the skin. That way it's not gonna mix too much with the rest of the cream product, which is the lipstick. So that'll keep it more in the position. It will transfer, it will move throughout the day. I don't mind that, but it will keep its shape if you kind of like strategically place the color and the gloss. So the mascara I chose, this is called Left on Red by ColourPop. It's a really beautiful red mascara. I like this because it's keeping with like that red monochromatic look, but going from like a burgundy to a brighter red. But since it's on your lashes, it creates more of like a maroon look. You just do that top and bottom. So that's it for the eyes. So I'm going in with the same color for the lips. You can go in with like a nude liner first or a burgundy liner, but I just use the tip of the lipstick to almost act like a lip liner, just using the lipstick. Again, I don't want it too perfect, so I just kind of smudge out the line to make it look a little bit more lived in. If you don't want to get the color of your lipstick into the lip gloss, just put it on your finger. So there you have it. It's basically 3 products. So your lipstick, your gloss, and a little bit of mascara. I have foundation on and everything. I do my foundation in other videos, so you can check that out. I basically do the same thing. But I love this look because it's kind of like an ode to the 1920s, silent films. Very easy to do, not a lot of product, and I just think it's a stunning look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I link all of the products that I use in the description box below. If you've tried this look and you want to tell me about it, leave a comment for me. I would love to hear it. If there are any other tutorials that you would like to see from me, also please leave that in the comment area and I will try to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's truly appreciated. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.